Have you ever pondered over the enigma of dreams? What if I told you that the dreams you experience while you're fast asleep might not be as random as they seem? Instead, they could be your subconscious trying to communicate with you. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of the 5 most common dreams and what they may signify. First on our list is falling. It's a dream most of us have experienced at least once. But what does it mean? Dream analysts suggest that falling might indicate feelings of insecurity, anxiety, or a perceived lack of control. If you're dreaming about falling, it may be worth considering areas in your life where you feel out of control or anxious. Next up, we have dreams about flying. These dreams can be exhilarating, freeing, and for some, a little terrifying. Flying dreams often represent desires for freedom, independence, or reaching higher levels in life. On the flip side, they can also signify a desire to escape or run away from a situation in your life. Third, we have dreams about being chased. These dreams can be incredibly stressful and may leave you feeling anxious upon waking. According to dream analysts, being chased in a dream often mirrors feelings of being threatened or pursued in real life. It may be time to confront these fears or anxieties head-on. Fourth on our list are dreams about teeth falling out. This dream is a common one and can leave you feeling uneasy. Dream analysts suggest that these dreams might be related to communication issues, feelings of powerlessness, or concerns about self-image. Finally, we have dreams about death. While these dreams can be disturbing, they are not necessarily a bad omen. Instead, they often symbolize the end of something and the start of something new. It could be the end of a phase, a relationship, or a habit. In conclusion, dreams can be a fascinating window into our subconscious. Falling might suggest feelings of insecurity or anxiety. Flying dreams could symbolize aspirations or desires for escape. Dreams of being chased often reflect real-life anxieties or fears. Dreams of teeth falling out might be connected to issues of self-image or communication. Lastly, dreams about death typically symbolize endings and new beginnings. Remember, while these interpretations can provide insight, each dream is unique and personal to the dreamer. Your own experiences, emotions, and thoughts will always play a significant role in your dream's meaning. So, next time you wake up from a vivid dream, take a moment to ponder its possible significance. Thank you for joining this journey into the world of dreams. If you enjoyed the video and would like to dive deeper into such intriguing topics, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep exploring.